Hello friends, today I am going to describe an Ayurvedic medicine known as Villuadilehyam. This is an Ayurvedic medicine used in variety of stomach related complaints such as nausea, vomiting, low digestive power. It has also action in cough and cold also. And this is also known as Villuadilehya, and it is called in several names. And it has action in the Grahani, that is a duodenum, as I told you, in the cough, cold, asthma, anorexia, in irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, Crohn's disease, and sometimes excessive passage of mucus through the stools. And sometimes we can also use this medicine in treating gastroesophageal reflux disorder, H. pylori infection, gastric and duodenal ulcer, erosive gastritis, heartburn, acid reflux, because of its presence of spices like ginger, cumin, black pepper, and long pepper. There is no specific pathya that is mentioned for these medicines. Usually it is given 5 to 10 grams in multiple dosage. These 5 to 10 grams have to be divided into 4 or 5 small dosage, 2 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, 2 gram, just like that. In children's, maximum 5 gram is given from the age of 5 to 12. In adults above 12, we can give 10 gram at one time. And this medicine contains Billua, that is Iglia maramellos. Its kashaya is made. After that, jaggery is added to this kashaya, in which musta, cypress, rotundus, coriander, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, nagagesa, that is mesua ferra, trigadu, that is pepper, long pepper, ginger is added. And this medicine is made. Now it is available in the market. It is made by famous pharmacies just like Vaidyaratnam, Kottakal Ayurvedishala, Siddharam. It is mentioned in Sahasra Yoga, references in Sahasra Yogam, Lehya Prakarana. And no side effects is till now not known for this medicine. And the shelf life of this medicine is almost 3 years, but it is better to consume within 6 months for the better result. Thank you.